Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm going to be showing you today that I got for my sun visor. This is a Toyota Camry 2008, and you can see what it looks like on this side. Now, the video that I watched said that you just turn it this way, and then you just kind of yank, and it should come out. You can see mine's already starting to come out a little bit. What I wasn't real sure about, though, is how much of it's supposed to come out. So there's a little plug, a little plastic piece that was white that went in there. I almost threw away. I'm glad I didn't, because it pulled out with the other one. And then you can see there's a little black clip here that didn't pull out, but then this one did. And so I finally got the actual replacement part here. And let me see if I can slide it out of the bag. Oh no, it's stuck in the bag. And I'll link which one I bought on Amazon. You can see it does have those two black clips, and they're pretty well tight in there. And so that didn't surprise me, because the other one from the old sun visor, I really couldn't get it out. And this just pinches and pulls out, at least I hope it does. Ugh. Yeah, there we go. Needless to Okay, so the first one of these that I ordered, I didn't look carefully enough. If you read the title carefully, you'll see it asks, is it a Camry with a sunroof or without a sunroof? I don't know. I assume it has to do with whether or not it has this light or not. Anyway, the first one I bought did not have this white plastic clip, but this one looks just like the one I pulled out. So I'm just gonna line it up. And these little black clips here and here are gonna clip in here, and here. And the white obviously is gonna go right in the middle there. So we're just gonna line things up, try and get the white right where it goes. This might take both hands to get it lined up just right. Okay, there we go. I had to kind of use both hands to shimmy it into place there, but it fit just perfectly. The only thing I'd say quality-wise, there's a little wisp you can see right there. Otherwise, it seems just fine. I don't know. The light doesn't seem like it's turning on. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, perfect. The light even works. How about that? Awesome. And it doesn't flip back down on me when I try and put it up like my old one did. So, yeah, seems like great quality. It fit perfectly. Just pay attention to that bit about whether yours has a sunroof or not. But pretty easy install and pretty decent product here.